viewers, this is Ritu Verma, and I am considering a topic regarding COVID 19. My topic is following the COVID 19 pandemic, how do we achieve the SDGs in the wake of global economic crisis? So let's start the 2030 agenda. The pandemic presents both an enormous challenge and tremendous opportunity for reaching the 2030 Agenda and the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). The SDGs are the roadmap for humanity. They compass almost every aspect of human and planetary well-being and, if met, will provide a stable and purpose life for every person and ensure the health of the planet. This year, they have received a grievous blow, one that will be far reaching for years to come. But the pandemic also shows us the wisdom of what is already inherent in the SDGs. SDGs like Sustainable Global Developments. This challenge we face cannot be dealt with in isolation. Our socio-economic assessment, based on finding more than 70 countries and 5 regional reports, show that while most developing countries are in the early stages of pandemic, they are already dealing with the negative effects. Like US, they are really feeling like they are really going through with this pandemic badly. We are focusing on good health. Like even before the crisis, the world was off the track of ensuring healthcare for everybody 2030. Now the impressive change made in a recent year decline infant and maternal mortality rates, turning the tide on HIV/AIDS and helping malaria adults are threatened, and we face possibly alarming setbacks not for just for the disease itself but the knock-on effect of breaks in vaccination campaigns. No hunger. The number of unnourished people has dropped by almost half in the past 2 decades. Central and East Asia, Latin America, and the Caribbean have all made huge progress. Still, as of 2017, there was 821 million people chronically undernourished. COVID 19 has exposed weakness of global food supply chains, and it has pushed fragile countries such as Yemen, where despite humanitarian assistance 15.9 million wake up hungry every day, push millions more into further distress. No poverty. Main focus is no poverty. Rapid economic progress in India and China has lifted millions out of poverty. But as of 2050, about 736 million people still lived in the less than US dollar 1.90 per day. Now, Oxfam estimates that the crisis could push half a billion people back into poverty. SDG1. SDG1 means software development, like the bedrock of the goals. The crisis has made this goal for challenging but also presents an opportunity to completely revolutionize development. Decent work. About 1.56 billion people work in the informal economy. That's about half the global workforce. The International Labour Organization report that they are immediate danger to having their livelihoods destroyed. ILO reports that more than 1 in 6 young people have lost their jobs since the pandemic began, and those that are still at the work have been since hours reduced. As a leader on a COVID 19 socio-economic response, UNDP will be working with private and public partners to encourage integrated growth that truly leaves nobody behind. Quality education. UNESCO estimate about 1.25 billion students are affected by lockdowns. UNDP estimate 68 to 86% of primary school children in developing countries are not being educated. The pandemic has re-emphasized the digital divide and the right to internet access, particularly for those in rural areas. UNDP estimates the closing the digital divide would reduce by more than two-thirds the number of children not learning because of school closure. Strong institutions. At least 18 national elections and referendums have already been postponed. Sometimes this can lead to the increased risk of unrest. Governments, particularly in a fragile context, are under parallel pressure to deliver digital service and social protection and to function in a way that advance social cohesion while upholding human rights and the rule of law. We are working with the SDG. SDG, SDG is like first is a sustainable development, and we are facing a crucial phase of our life cause of COVID pandemic. But I and we hope that it can't affect it may not affect the SDG of India and all over the world. Thank you.